Hi everyone, Del here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the ultimate fire tinder by Procamptek. They make some great tinders out there. One of their favourite is the fire plugs. I have that in all my kit, but I found this is the new ultimate fire tinder, and we're going to be taking a closer look at this and see how we get on with it and how easy it is to light, and if it's a good addition to your kit or not. So thanks for watching as always. Remember to hit the subscribe and click the like, and let's take a look at the ultimate fire tinder by Procamptek. So it's waterproof, fast igniting and wind resistant. It's easy to light with a ferro rod and a flint and steel. We'll put that to the test just now and take a little look. Let's just seal that back up. So a nice little bundle there. So firstly we'll try it with a ferro rod. Let's move that one out of the way. I'm just opening it up a little bit. You can see that it's like it's got wax clumps in it. It's very fibrous. So let's just put that there, and let's take a strike at that. Well, that lit quick, really quick. Impressed with that. Nice burn, fast ignition. So now let's take a look with flint and steel. So we've got a nice little bit of flint and steel here. So I'm just going to treat it like I would with Amadou or char cloth. I'm actually going to put it onto the flint, and then we'll see. Actually, when you squash it together, it binds back up. Do you see that? So you can mould it. So now let's see if we can get it to ignite the steel without breaking the steel. I know there's different ways of doing this, putting the fibre on the bottom and catching the spark that way, or on the top. It's trying to burn. Let's try catch the bottom right. The flint's very brittle. I think the hardest part is actually trying to get a good enough clump of it together to ignite it. Let's just try on top again. wonder if we've squashed it down too much. I'm just going to try a fresh bit on it without squashing it. So what I'm going to try and do on this one is put a little bit of Amadou under it and try and catch it that way. That's a no with the flint and steel for now, but we will keep trying that and we'll try that again. So this has been soaking in for a while. As you can see, the water running off it. Let's just open it up a little bit. You can hear it sizzling. So after a wee bit of fluffing up, it did look, take a light. So let's just see if we can get it on the flint again. So let's take a bit out. Let's take a bit of Amadou. Not the best bit of flint, but we'll try it, and let's try again. So I never quite got that to work with the flint and steel. Doesn't mean it's a fail, it just means we need to keep trying. So guys, you saw me just have a quick test of the Procamptek Ultimate Fire Tinder. Is it any good? Yeah, it's good. It does light with the ferro rod really quick. I couldn't get it to light with the the flint and steel as you saw there, but that just takes practice. Flint and steel's always tricky. I think flint and steel's a really good way to practice anyways, to get your skill set up. So I do like using it, I do like trying it. It's not a fail if it doesn't start. You just got to keep trying, and you will catch it. You saw I used the Amadou to try and catch it there. It wasn't quite working, but I will keep trying that, and I will catch it with that. With the water test, you just need to fluff it up a wee bit more, pull it out, and it will take a spark, and then just put some fresh tinder on it, and it'll come off. It'll light again really quick too. So that was the test of the Procamptek Ultimate Fire Tinder. Do I like it? Yeah, I do like it. Would it replace the fire plugs? You've all seen the fire plugs. Would it replace the fire plugs? For me, no. I love the fire plugs. I think it's the best thing they ever come up with. They're amazing, the fire plugs. I use them all the time and carry them in all my kit. Is it good to have different types of tinder? Yes. Is it good to try different things? Yes. Just keep trying. I like it as a flash tinder with the ferro rod, and I'll keep practicing with the flint and steel and get back to you on that one. As always, thanks for watching everybody. As you see, my videos are always, I show it how it is. I don't edit it in the sense that I only show it working rather than it not working. That's not what I do. I like to show you that even I feel lighting things, so I think you get an honest opinion then. But yep, that's the Ultimate Fire Tinder by Procamptek. I'll put a link into it from the Bath Bushcraft shop. It's a mouthful, isn't it? The Bath Bushcraft shop. I'll put a link to them on the channel below. But as always guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Del out.